What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I want to keep this video short. We're going to be installing the intake onto the K20 Civic. Just to give you guys a little before and after. Right now, I'm going to be working on this whole contraption right here. You get one of these new ones, but I just noticed that this hose wraps around over here and wraps around over here. So now I don't know if these are like part of the vacuum. Figure that out right now. This almost seems very like dumb, because if it's just going from here to here, why not just connect them? I don't know, but I think what I'm gonna do for now is I'm gonna just leave this right here on the side, and I'm gonna just use the new stuff that the kit gives you, and I'm gonna just install it right here. So this is a little new hose that the kit gives you, and just basic mock-up. It looks like it goes onto that little bracket right there, and this thing will connect up here. I am not even gonna lie, I think I have the wrong part. This says that it's for a base RSX model. Obviously, this is not a base RSX engine, it is an EP3 engine. But I figured the base and the EP3 would have a similar intake shape, but I guess they're different. This one does not reach all the way up there. The bracket doesn't reach right there. Overall, it's just not fitting. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm very irritated right now, and I feel like this whole build has just been fat ass L's after fat ass L's. I've been trying to do a lot of compromises with parts. I knew that I was buying this and it was for an RSX, but the EP3 and the RSX share a lot of similarities that I just kind of felt like maybe it could work. There wasn't a carb legal option that I could find for the EP3 within the same price range and all that stuff. So I ended up taking a gamble. Obviously, it didn't work out. And I just feel like that's how it's been with the whole build. It's taking so long because of all these little things that I've just been trying to, make work, so that I could make the EP3 engine work, just to get it running and, learn how this K-swap works. I'll be honest, I think I'm done. I think I'm over it. I'm at the point where I kind of just want to get rid of everything and just sell it all and just start fresh. But I'm in too deep, and I think I just got to be open with y'all. I got to be honest about what the plans are, or what I'm kind of thinking I should just do. The purpose of this EP3 engine was never to actually run it onto the car. It was just get it in there, get it running, and then learn how to do it so that I could jump over to phase 2, which is getting a K20 A2 or a K24 A2 engine into the Civic. But not only that, I want to make it a legal swap. I live in California, and before anyone comments that that's the problem is the California laws, I get it. I'm not going to move anywhere else just because of car reasons. I'd rather make it work somehow, and there is an option, which is going the barred route, which is what I wanted to do with my Civic. I don't want to go back to the D15 or D16 just because it's old technology. I want that OBD2. So if I could put a more of a modern engine into my Civic and pass smog, that would be a pretty cool little trade-off, and it's not something you see every day, which is what I wanted to do for my Civic. So I think I'm over the EP3 engine swap. I think I just want to get rid of it, and I think I'm going to go for it. The plan that I kind of have is I'm looking for an Acura RSX Type S that is like the shell a little bit beat up, maybe crashed, but the engine bay, the drivetrain and all that as close to stock as possible, so that I could bring everything from that vehicle onto the Civic. I was kind of hoping to get the car running and then be like, all right, this is the grand reveal, we're gonna do this now, blah blah blah, it's phase 2, blah blah blah. But I'm over it. So moving on. Sorry, this video, well, actually this video was a lot shorter like I said in the beginning, but not the way that I wanted it to end. So I'm sorry this video was a bit of a letdown, but now you're in the loop of what I want to do, and hopefully it could lead to bigger and better things. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Echale ganitas.